Hey guys, this is Pkncuber, more specifically Pkncuber. I hope you guys are having a good day, and I just want to go over the stream highlights. So I mainly went over 2x2. I did grace through 3x3 and square 1. Didn't do very well on these, so we're just gonna forget about those. But I did do a lot of 2x2 solves, and I got 3 main good solves. So these solves were my first one, 2.907, my second one, 3.477, and my third one, 2.84. These solves, I'm going to show you the solve, and then I'm going to do a recreation for it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. Nice. Hey guys, now for the recreation of my first scramble, 2.907. This scramble was done with white top, green front, and I'll show it on screen right now. And I have it right here, so I'm just going to do the scramble. Here it is. So the scramble, I held the yellow bar right here on this side, and right here there's a yellow piece and a yellow piece here. So what I can do, what I did is I did a L, U, L. Basically what that did is it moved this piece down, and then this piece I could insert to make another bar, and then it went down. At the time, I don't think I was remembering or thinking about the bottom layer, and I just went straight into PLL, and I did this case, which I'm not going to explain, and then I found out that I had U2 AOF, did AOF, and I was done. So basically what that case is, it is headlights right here, and out back there are no headlights. So I just did the case, and then about here probably, noticed that it was U2, noticing that was U2, started doing U2, and then sub timer. Now I'm going to do a sub recreation of that solve to just hoping I'll get a faster time, because now I know exactly what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna do that in 3, 2. Okay, that did not go according to plan at all. Got a 4.2724, definitely worse. Because I dropped the cube. But yeah, I think you can get where this is going. And now I will show you the next one. I personally never tried it, but now for the second solve of my 2x2, that's a 3.477. This solve was done with white fronts, green face, and the scramble will now be on the screen right now. And I have it right here again, so I'm just going to do this. And there we go. Now how I did this is, for some reason I didn't see red, but whenever I did red, I wouldn't have ended out as expected or as well as it did before, so glad it did. I actually did orange, which is a weird choice whenever I'm looking back, because this when it's like one is facing like this and one is facing like this isn't very good. So I held the orange bar in the back like this. So orange was facing here. And then what I did, I don't know why I'm timing. I did a U and F prime, a U2, and a RUR. This wasn't very good because it was a lot of moves, but it also ended up being a really good solve, so it's fine. And then I saw that was a zoom case, so I just did a U2. Oh no, I actually did a U prime too. Did a U prime, stalled for like, I don't know how long, and then did it. Saw that was just a U away, and I was done. And now I'm going to do another sub recreation of this, just to see if I can get faster, unlike the other one. Don't know if I actually will be because of the start, but we'll see. 2.522. Definitely better than the 3.477 I got. But yeah, that was solve number 2. And now to the final scramble. No, U2 by 2, yeah. This is the MGC Elite. BL skip. BBL. Now, we're back for the third and final solve. This was the best out of all 3 by about 0.1 seconds, as the solve is 2.84. Now, scramble will be on screen about now. As said previously, I have it right here, so I can just do it like this. I did get it right. And now, how I did this, obviously it was white top, green front for the scramble. The solve was done on the yellow first, on the bottom, as some might say. And how I did this is, I noticed that there was a yellow right here and a yellow right here, and it was already an L, which was pretty good, because then I could just do an L2, U, L2. So I did that, and then I noticed that it was this, the second part of a T perm. No, of a Y perm. Sorry about that. So I executed that, and surprisingly, there was no AUF, and there was no OLL or PBLL to do. So I'm going to do another final sub-recreation of this, like that. Now, here we go. .229. Well, that was all the recreations. Now for the final. Now, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go check me out on twitch.tv/Pkncuber with an underscore, maybe. And just come stop by sometime. I hope you have a good rest of your day or night. This was Pkncuber, more specifically Pkncuber, and I hope you have a good rest of your day or night. See ya!